Hey everybody, times two. I tried to come earlier and I didn't realize that the mic wasn't working. So hopefully if any of you guys are out there paying attention, you can tell me if my mic is working. I think I got it plugged in the right way. The title of today's video is Why Can't I Charge for Poop in the Yard? And this pertains to all VRBOs, STRs, Airbnbs. So whether you're a host or you're a cleaner for a host, who picks up the dog poop, right? If they're a pet-friendly organization, they're going to allow pets. So you need to have a firm pet policy because someone invariably is going to have to pick up the poop. So that is super important. We all know that there's always that one neighbor, that sneaky neighbor who's lazy and doesn't want to pick up the poop after their dog. I distinctly remember a story, I think it was Phoenix, or I want to say Los Angeles, where there was a gentleman in the subdivision who walked past this one particular house. Well, every day his dog pooped there, and instead of picking up the poop, he just left it there. So then they eventually caught the guy on camera, and then he ended up getting a big fine, and he was shamed into compliance. So we have rules for a reason, and the reason for that is because it ultimately has to be someone's responsibility to pick up the poop. So with STRs, you need to decide whether you're going to have animals allowed, dogs particularly, or you're not. If you are going to allow it, I suggest that you have a pet policy in place where if they don't pick up, sorry, my dog now is barking. If they don't pick up after their fur baby, that there's going to be a fine. And the higher the fine, the more likely they will not, always when you're doing a live video, quiet! The more likely they won't leave a mess for you. So I have found, and I reference this to refrigerator cleanings, when it's $25, everyone wants the refrigerator cleaned. When it's $50, they'll kind of weigh it out. When it's $85 or $100 for a pet incident, then they're more than likely not going to leave a mess. It's just like pulling out the trash and pulling the sheets off the bed. It's just part of your protocol so you can do your turns easier, right? Something to think about. So STRs, you need to have a firm policy, on a pet policy on what that is, and you need to have a poop policy in place, and I suggest that you go higher rather than lower. And for those of you who don't know me, my dog is barking. Her name is Suki, and she drives me nuts, but my name is Shannon Miller, and I'm actually the CEO, you can hear my bird too, of Clean Freaks University, where I teach others how to run the back end of their business, not be run over by their business. And I actually have one spot available on Friday in the afternoon if you want to talk to me and chat with me via Zoom to see if I am a good fit for your business. And I have 2 spots next week. If you're interested in either one of those, please private message me. I also have my pilot program going. We're in week 2 and I have 7 participants. If it's something that you feel that you need because you're new to the industry and you don't know how to price, it goes over all the parameters of pricing through Messenger and Facebook. So basically we wouldn't talk over the phone, but you could message me and ask me the price on what I would charge for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house bi-weekly. And I'll sit there and guide you on what I would actually charge, legitimate, real, today time prices, so that you can learn how to bid flat rate. And that price for the pilot program is $15 a week. And it's unlimited. Obviously, it's done between office hours. If you contact me on Sunday while I'm at church, I might not respond back to you right away. But I will try to catch up with you. It's not my intention to ignore anybody. I just have things going on too. So if that is something that you're interested in, I probably can accommodate about 7 more. So 14 people max for the pilot program. It is something I'm working on, and the price will be going up. It's just something that I'm testing out on you guys. You guys get to be my guinea pigs. So I look forward to all of your questions, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. You take care.